What up, YouTubers? It's me, Busy Bee, and I am back with another wig review. Today we are doing the It's a Wig 360 Deep Lace Collection, and this is the Adira unit. So, okay, let's get into this unit. So it is 360, so the lace goes all the way around. I do like the parting space. The parting space is really great on this unit. You know, very realistic. Part it anywhere and kind of get the realistic look. So that's a plus. The wig is super duper long. I would say it's gotta be at least maybe a 30-inch, only because it has these strands. I'm gonna stand up and see if I can show it to you. So it has these strands that are just slightly longer than other pieces. So you see how this is slightly long, but this isn't the same. Like this goes a little longer. And so it's pretty long. I'm gonna say it's a 30. That's what I'm gonna say. Because it's a really long wig. So if you're looking for something really long and you know, just need something really long, this wig can do it, okay? It is a lot of hair though. So I would say this is definitely a kind of wear it one time type of thing. That one event, that one thing you gotta go to and you're just like, okay, I need some nice long curls. And this wig would be good. However, I don't know if you should still do it. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. This unit, oh my God. So for me, it's a problem wig, okay? It just tangles way too much. It is a human hair mix. That didn't do nothing for this unit, okay? It's too much. I don't know if it's the curls. I don't know if it's the texture of the hair or what, but even when you're combing it out, it seems like you're combing for days and just poof, right back to being tangled. So that didn't work for me. In terms of styling, I mean, I feel like you can style this up, down. I mean, that's the whole purpose. It's a 360. However, you know, as long as you're okay with not, you know, worrying about it tangling, you'll be good with this unit. If you're worried about tangling, this is not the unit for you. And I just felt like I just was constantly fighting with it. It also sheds, so gotta be conscious of that because you're just constantly trying to untangle. So I really didn't like that at all. Other than that, I mean, it's an okay unit. You know, like I said, maybe a one-time event thing. You throw it on, you go. Valentine's Day is coming up. This is a sexy unit. You know, you throw it on with your little lingerie. You go out there. Well, maybe you don't go out there. Maybe you stay in the house and you throw this unit on and, you know, you do what you got to do. Because it's going to get tangled anyway, right? So, yeah. So, I mean, that's pretty much with this unit. I don't, you know, let me show you the back. And that's all I have to say about this unit. It's a beautiful unit, but, you know, the tangles really bothered me. So if that's something that bothers you, this wig is going to bother you. Yeah. But, I mean, the curls are nice, though. Curls are nice. Anyway. Let me know what your comments are, thoughts are about this unit. If you've got this unit already, the Adira, am I right? Is it tangly? Do I need to do something? Like, what? Let me know in my comments. Like, do you have Adira? Did this work out for you? Because it's tangly to me. Let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.